India is the most depressed country in the world, as per the recent report of WHO. Children can develop the same mental health condition and behavioral disorder as adults. However, the symptoms may differ. For example, a child might show more irritability when he is depressed as compared to an adult who usually shows the sign of sadness. Let me tell you how you can understand whether your child is suffering with any mental disorder and how to cope up with that.
Some worry is a normal part of a child's experience, which changes from one developmental stage to another. However, if the child is going through some mental stress, some behavioral issues, it becomes difficult for him to function normally, and this may lead to an anxiety disorder. A child experiences various forms of mental disorders, which could be a mood disorder, eating disorder, anxiety disorder, ADHD, autism, schizophrenia, and many more. Let's see, you as a parent, how you can find out the symptoms if a child is suffering with a mental health issue. Taking care of mental health is as important as having a healthy body, and you as parents play a very important role in ensuring that your child has a right mental health. There are certain warning signs that you can look out for to identify if your child is facing through any kind of a disorder. If you experience that your child has frequent mood swings, or he is having a lot of anxiety recently, if the child tries to do any kind of a physical harm to himself, or he is having difficulty in concentration, he is going through some physical changes, that he's experiencing more of a stomach ache or headache as compared to the adults who generally feels more of sadness and depression when it comes to anxiety disorders, or if your child is having some intense feelings of late. So these are the red flags and the symptoms that you must consult a doctor, speak to your child's teacher, speak to your loved ones, near and dear ones, speak to the child's caregiver, that these signs should not be ignored. And if you consult a doctor, they will give you a prescribed medication, a treatment, which could also be a psychotherapy, and give as much family time that you can give to your child, because your child needs your support right now. Your child needs your support more than ever now. Before, even if it is diagnosed that your child is going through a mental health condition, usually we as a parents, we feel a lot of anger, frustration, because there is an anxiety. We don't know how to react to the situation because we are unaware. So it's important that you must speak with the medical health care provider and understand and find out the ways to relax yourself, have more fun with your child. Try taking family counseling, because you cannot ignore these symptoms. And remember one thing, patience is the way and the key to make a healthy life, not just for your child, but for your own self.